Well, welcome back to the channel. Now this is well, my next video after my last video about the Hornet Evo. So I have to say that certainly inspired some comments. I think that was one of the most commented videos that I've got. Everyone's entitled to their opinion. I'm entitled to my opinion. You guys are entitled to your opinion. I appreciate it. It was just my thoughts on the product. I don't understand sometimes. I'm not a marketing genius, like I said. I don't run a multinational, multi-million-dollar corporation. So these guys are putting their feelers out. They know what the market wants. And from the comments, everyone wants the Hornet Evo. Not saying I'm not going to buy one. Let's start there. But I thought it was a strange direction. But, you know, it is pretty cool. Full bearings, different rear ends, different decals. So something a little bit cool. Someone pointed out, which was a very good point, was that it's obviously the 40th anniversary of Hornet. Now, to release the Evo as part of the 40th anniversary, amazing, great. But why didn't Tamiya run it as a 40th anniversary kit? So have it branded as 40th anniversary of the Hornet, 40th anniversary kit. You know, the 35th anniversary stuff and 30th anniversary stuff is all really, really popular, good collectible. This is going to be a long-running kit. They're not going to just produce a small amount. They're going to keep making it. But yeah, having maybe the first batch as a special commemorative edition, 40th anniversary edition, would have been awesome for collectors. And then if you just released it normally with different boxing and different box art, everyone else could get one. So it's not just limited to people that are literally going to put them on the shelf like some people do. But look, it is what it is. I didn't mean to offend anyone with that video. I didn't mean, it was just my opinion, and people have shared their opinion. If you go down and read the comments, there's a lot of opinions on it. But yeah, it's just I felt it was quite a strange direction for Tamiya to take. But like I said, not a marketing genius, don't run a multinational, multi-million-dollar company. So this video, we've got some September releases, only a couple of things, one car and we've got a radio. So we've got 45068, which is the fine spec 2.4 gig 4-channel radio set. So that's coming. That's good for your trucky guys and good for the 3-speed guys. And they're an awesome. I mean, I think it's Futaba, maybe, I'm not sure. It might be Futaba rebranded as Tamiya, I'm not sure. So they're going to be a good set. And we've got another kit, which is the 58740, the Porsche 911 RSR 2.8 on the BTO1 chassis. So rear engine, rear motor, all rear drive on a 1 tensile chassis, which is pretty cool. So sort of the chassis sort of matches the body, which is amazing. So they're the only two releases we've got for September. But this month, so I think around about the 10th of this month in Japan, we're going to get 2 re-releases. So one is another run of the Avanti. So yeah, another one of these coming. Amazing kit, so much fun to build. Super complex, but yeah, you can see why it's such a popular car. But yeah, these are coming on the 10th, and the second one coming on the 10th is Fast Attack Vehicle 2011 rerun. So there's another one of these coming. I love Wild One, I love FAVs, so yeah, having another one of these is pretty cool. If you missed out last time, definitely get in this time. They're just a little bit different, and yeah, they're just a different kit to the Wild One, but they're super fun to build and they're super fun to run. But the reason I've got Super Astute out on the bench is because I haven't seen it officially. Maybe I did, but I can't find it officially. But from my understanding, we're getting another run of Super Astutes in December this year. If you missed out last time, because it was a pretty short run, definitely try and get in this time. Super Astute is one of those kits that's just so cool to run. The slipper clutch is amazing. It's so much fun. It handles incredibly. It's built super sturdy. The only little bit is inside the back wishbones. There's a little mount where the pin runs, and that if you hit hard on the wheel, they'll actually just snap. Which they used to be super difficult to get, but you can get them pretty easy now because of the re-release kits and the parts availability. But yeah, if you want to get something later in the year and you want to save up for something, one thing, would you get an Avanti or a Super Astute? I'll probably go for the Super Astute. I think it's just an amazing kit. I've always loved them. I've got an Astute on the shelf, and I've got the Super Astute on the shelf, and I've got a Super Astute new in box. I'd love a re-release of the Astute, so I could have an in-box Astute on the shelf as well, but we can only hope. But yeah, so they're coming in December from what I hear. So don't hold me to it, but I'm almost certain they're coming in December. So yeah, that's only a little bit of discussion for today. Like I said, a couple of things in September, maybe October, towards the end of the year we might see something a little bit different. But hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. Please again, like, subscribe, comment. Don't mean to offend anyone. These are just my opinions and everyone's entitled to them as you are entitled to yours. So we'll see you in our next video. Thank you. So if you like this video, there's plenty more on our channel that you're going to love. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up. Check out some of the other videos that we've made. I'm sure you'll like them.